Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to an existing connection was forcibly closed on Minecraft in Windows 10 computer. So this is because of network issue or network related issue. First of all, we need to check the network connection if the network is working or not. Check your router if router is working or not. Check Wi-Fi if Wi-Fi is working or not. Check if the internet is accessible on your computer or not. If internet is accessible and still you are not able to connect to Minecraft servers, then we have to troubleshoot this issue with the help of some of the troubleshooting steps that I'm going to show you in this particular video. So let's go ahead on my computer screen and check out how we can troubleshoot this issue. So this is Windows 10 computer and we are going to see some of the troubleshooting steps. Open Runbox, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard and then type ncpa.cpl, hit enter. This is Ethernet adapter, right click on Ethernet adapter and go to properties. In the properties, click on IPv4 TCP IP, then click on advanced, click on DNS and click on add. Here we have to add 8.8.8.8. It's already added in my computer, and also I'm going to add 8.8.4.4. So click on add, click on OK and then again click on OK. Close, and then we can check if you're able to open Minecraft application or not. If it is not opening, we can also try another method. Right click on Windows and then go to settings. In the settings, click on update and security. In the update and security, click on Windows security over here. Click on firewall and network protection. So you can see domain network, private network and public network. We have to check if Minecraft is working after turning them off. So I'm going to click on this domain network, toggle it off, then again private network, toggle it off. This is not recommended because if you keep this firewall off, there may be a virus attack on your computer. So now all the firewalls has been disabled and we have to check if the issue is resolved or not. If the issue is still not resolved, then we can try another method. Just open Runbox and in the Runbox type appwiz.cpl. You will find Java over here and then just click on Java and uninstall Java, and we have to reinstall it again because Minecraft is working with Java application only. It requires Java to be installed on our computer. So we are going to uninstall Java and then again reinstall it on our computer. So click on yes for user account control permissions. Now it is going to uninstall Java. So again we have to install Java on the computer. I already have its setup, so I'm going to run this setup again. Currently Java is installing. After the installation of Java, we have to reboot the computer and check if the issue is resolved or not. If the issue is still not resolved, then we have to follow another method. Uninstall Minecraft itself. So in the control panel, programs and features, click on Minecraft and then click on uninstall. So click on yes, and then once this is uninstalled, we have to reboot the computer and then again install this application on your computer. So I hope these troubleshooting steps would help you out. Please do comment which method works for you and how did you resolve this issue. If these troubleshooting steps are not used, what are all the troubleshooting steps you use to resolve this issue? Please do comment in the comment box so that everyone would be able to resolve their issues as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe, please hit the like button and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.